So to make this, you need peel fresh power juice, which is about 93 calories per serving, 250 ml. So you have one serving, 250 ml here. We're gonna add it to it, and after you add that, you're gonna need one scoop of protein powder. One scoop. One scoop. And then you're gonna need baby spinach. About one or two. If it's a big one like this, you just need one. Do not add the stem, you just need to add the leaves. Try to pick out the most leaves because this is very good. It has a lot of fiber and taste, makes you full for longer. Then you close the lid and you put it on your blender. Some trouble, man. After it's locked, now it has 240 calories in total. For that, a 1 liter shake, it's actually very low. And it has 36 grams of protein, 26 grams carbohydrates, BCAAS, which stand for essential amino acids, 5.5 grams. That's a lot in 1 liter shake. 4 grams of glutamine and glutamic acid. So if you're thinking, is this going to fill me up? It's going to fill you up, because for 1 liter shake, which is only 240 calories, you buy it outside for 1 liter, that's probably about 900 calories with all the sugar, all the preservatives they add in. And reminding you, this has no sugar added inside. It has a lot of fiber. It has close to 15 grams of fiber from the baby spinach. This is the perfect shake you should try out after a morning workout. It fills you up, powers you for the day. Thank you.